Hey everyone, today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of Etsy. But we're not talking about those cute handmade candles or those vintage jackets your grandma loves. Nope, we're going digital, baby. We're about to uncover the top digital products on Etsy that are absolutely right now, selling like hotcakes on a cold winter's day. Think about it. No inventory, no shipping headaches, just pure digital gold. Whether you're an Etsy veteran or just starting out, this video is your golden ticket to unlocking a whole new level of Etsy success. So buckle up, smash that like button, and get ready to discover some serious money-making opportunities. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the world of Etsy to uncover the top digital products that are selling like hotcakes. If you're looking to start your own Etsy shop or boost your sales, you won't want to miss this. First up, we've got printable planners. These bad boys are absolute game changers for anyone who wants to get their life together. And let's be real, who doesn't want that? Imagine this. Beautifully designed pages for your daily schedule, meal plans, fitness trackers, you name it. And the best part, customization. You can find planners for literally every niche and personality. We're talking minimalist planners, floral fantasy planners, planners with grumpy cats on them. You name it, they got it. People are going crazy for these because they offer the perfect blend of organization and personal style. So if you're looking to tap into a market that's always hungry for more, printable planners are the way to go. Trust me, there's a planner out there just waiting to be designed and an audience ready to buy it. Next up, let's talk about digital art prints. These are like the superheroes of interior design, instantly transforming any boring wall into a stunning statement piece. And the best part, you don't need to break the bank to achieve gallery-worthy walls. From minimalist line art to vibrant watercolor paintings, there's a digital art print out there for every taste. Think about it. People are always looking for affordable ways to spruce up their homes, and digital art prints offer the perfect solution. Imagine scrolling through Etsy, finding the artwork that speaks to your soul, and then, bam! It's yours to download instantly and print at home or at your local print shop. No waiting for shipping. No outrageous gallery prices, just pure artistic freedom. All right, calling all crafting enthusiasts and DIY masters. If you haven't jumped on the SVG cut file train yet, now's the time. These digital files are like the secret sauce behind those personalized mugs, those adorable custom t-shirts, and all those intricate crafts you see all over social media. Think about it, SVG cut files let you create professional-looking designs without needing to be a design wizard yourself. You can find designs for literally anything. Funny quotes, cute animals, intricate mandalas, and use them with your trusty cutting machine to make some serious crafting magic. The possibilities are seriously endless. People are making bank-selling, custom-designed products using SVG cut files, and you can too. So grab your cutting machine, unleash your creativity, and get ready to conquer the world, one craft project at a time. Next up, let's talk about the digital age's gift to knowledge seekers everywhere, ebooks. These digital gems are a goldmine for anyone looking to share their expertise, tell captivating stories, or offer valuable guidance. And the best part? Instant access. No more waiting for books to be delivered, no more lugging around heavy textbooks. With ebooks, you can dive into a world of knowledge anytime, anywhere, right from your phone, tablet, or computer. It's like having a library in your pocket. From self-help guides to cookbooks to thrilling novels, the possibilities for ebooks are as vast as the internet itself. So if you've got a story to tell, knowledge to share, or a skill to teach, ebooks are your ticket to reaching a global audience. Last but not least, let's talk about the secret weapon behind those picture-perfect Instagram feeds and those eye-catching Facebook ads, social media templates. In today's digital world, having a strong online presence is key, and social media templates are the ultimate shortcut to achieving social media success without breaking a sweat. Imagine having pre-designed templates for your Instagram stories, your Facebook posts, your Pinterest pins, all branded with your unique style, and ready to go. No more spending hours trying to create the perfect post. Social media templates do the heavy lifting for you. From small businesses to influencers to bloggers, everyone's catching on to the power of social media templates. So if you want to save time, boost your engagement, and make your social media presence pop, jump on this trend and watch your followers multiply. There you have it, folks. These are the digital products that are flying off the virtual shelves on Etsy. From printable planners that keep you organized to digital art prints that transform your home, the possibilities for digital products are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Now's the perfect time to tap into the booming world of digital products and start selling on Etsy. Remember, no inventory, no shipping, just pure digital profit. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy selling.